Edusoft Robotix. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello students, welcome to Edusoft Robotix. In this tutorial, we are going to create a circuit consisting of 3 LEDs in series. Step 1. Connect the negative end of the battery to the negative line of the breadboard. Step 2. Connect the positive end of the battery to the positive line of the breadboard. Step 3. Place the LEDs on the breadboard as shown here. Step 4. Connect the one end of the resistor to the negative leg of the LED and its other end with any hole in the negative line of the breadboard as shown here. Step 5. With wire, connect the positive leg of the first LED with the negative leg of the second LED. Similarly, connect the positive leg of the second LED to the negative leg of the third LED. Step 6. Connect the positive leg of the third LED to any hole in the positive line of the breadboard. This way, the LEDs are connected in series. This means that if any of the LEDs stop working, the circuit connection breaks and no LED will glow. Now, click on Start Simulation to see the circuit in action.